this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the floating die technique with Stampin' Up's Floating and Fluttering bundle. So here's Stampin' Up's Floating and Fluttering bundle. You've got this bunch of butterflies that you can cut out with these two dies. So you can cut out more than one at a time. You can also color the butterflies with these stamps, and then there's more detailed stamps that you can color the butterflies with, and then you can color the leaves as well. And then there's also this label die that you can use to cut out this label, and this cute little embossed butterfly die that you can use as well. So for this floating and fluttering technique, this floating die technique, I'm going to start by showing you how I stamped the butterflies, stamped and colored the butterflies. So I'm going to use Memento black ink. And I'm going to ink this up really well. I'm going to stamp that. And now I'm going to color in the stamps. So I'm going to start with one of the butterflies. In Magenta Madness. And then we'll do the little butterfly in Misty Moonlight. And the large butterfly in Bumblebee. And then we'll do the leaves in Just Jade. These are all the in colors. I think they're really pretty together. And then this grouping leaves as well. And then you would cut this out using this group of dies with your Big Boss, your Stampin' die cutting and emboss machine. And you would end up with all of these lovely pieces. Next, you're going to arrange them however you would like on your piece of white cardstock, and you're going to use Press and Seal to place on top of your piece. You're going to press it down, and then you're going to trim your edges, and you're going to have a piece that looks like this. Okay, after you have your piece that looks like this, you're going to cut out the middle with the label die. So you're going to put the label die right there in the middle. Put your cutting plate on top. You're just going to roll it through. going to poke this out. And then we're going to remove the top. Get a little piece to pull on here. We're going to remove this top from the backing. And so the Stampin' or the press and seal keeps it all together so it looks like it's floating, and then you can use this piece for another card somewhere. And then you can also use this piece for another card as well. Actually, I'm sorry, we are going to use it for another, we're going to use it for this card. We're going to stamp on that. So let's go ahead and stamp that. We're going to do the label in Just Jade. Okay, we'll try to line this up best we can. Pretty good. And then we'll stamp a sentiment in Misty Moonlight. And our sentiment comes to us from the Tranquil Thoughts Dies stamp set. Wishing you a beautiful day. So we'll put that aside. And now the fun part. We get to put lots and lots of dimensionals on every little piece that we can find to put dimensionals on. So just break out your dimensionals, and anywhere you can put a large dimensional, start with the large dimensionals, and then once you've placed all the large dimensionals that you can place, go ahead and move to your mini dimensionals and try to make sure that you get all the areas covered. All your pieces have dimensionals on them. And this is what is going to create that look that the butterflies are floating, thus the floating and fluttering. So aren't these, isn't this bundle perfect for this technique? It's just perfect. It was created for this technique. So now we have our card, and we're going to remove all of these pieces. Okay, now that we've removed all the backing, we're going to place this on the card. Stick it down. And then we're going to slowly, carefully remove the press and seal. So it might remove some of your paper, so go slowly. There we go. Looks like it's floating. So cool, huh? And then now all we do is we just add our sentiment flat down inside here. Just tuck that down in. And there we have our floating card. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase this bundle. It consists of these 6 cards. You just go to my website and place an order, or you can place a $30 order using this January hostess code and you'll get this card kit for free. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Floating and Fluttering card kit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you next time.